Hi, this is Steve, and this brief video is going to talk about how to log into the OLA MSG instruction course for the very first time. I'm really looking forward to working with you inside this course, and as always, if you run into problems or challenges or questions, just let me know. Shoot me an email and we can talk over email, or we certainly can talk by phone or through Zoom web meeting. If you ever have any difficulties, I'm happy to help. So I've got the video, or we've got the email rather, up that's showing about instructions for logging into the course. So you've already clicked here to open up the video. So we're down here at the logging in section, and it says to access the course, click here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm accessing the course, and it's going to click here, and it'll bring you here to this Moodle site and ask you for your username and your password. And back in the email, your username and password are there. I tried to use your last name and the first initial of your first name, and your standard password is ABC123. Feel free to change that once you go in if you have a password that you like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. I'm going to put my last name and first initial, and I'm going to put in ABC123. And this, click the login button, and this should allow us to be able to log into the course without any problem. But definitely hang on to that email, because it'll show you where the site is, or you certainly can bookmark this on your web browser as well. So the very first time that you log in, you're going to get the privacy notice, and this is just basically saying we will protect your privacy, blah, blah, blah. If you want to take the time to go through and read it, knock yourself out. But at the bottom, just click on next when you've read it. And then it also has the cookies policy as well. And frankly, I'd rather eat a cookie than read about the cookie policy. So I'm going to click next here. And then it'll ask you to consent to both. So yes, I agree to the privacy and to the cookies policy. And then I'll click on next. And what we should happen then is you'll have a dashboard tour, which if you'd like to do that, you can. It'll go through and it'll just show you what's on the dashboard. I'm just going to go ahead and end tour. What you should see here under the course overview in your dashboard is this OLA instruction for MSG course. And if you click on that, that will open the course and bring you inside, and you're ready to start and begin. I'll have another video that'll go through and show you about how to navigate the course, which will be more in depth. The purpose of this was just to show you how to log in for the first time. So certainly if you've never used Moodle before, go ahead and do both these tours, and that'll help. But if you've used Blackboard or another Moodle-based course, they're all very, very similar. But again, if you haven't, take the time to do those tours. So this should have gotten you logged in with no problem. But again, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks.